Hello, welcome to my top 5 tips for Unity that you may not have known. Number 1. Did you know if you have an error on Unity, you can actually click the error to find what script you are on? This saved me so many times. Number 2. Did you know that you can actually lock the inspector so that you can actually click on other objects but still have the object that you wanted locked on? If you have so many children in one object, this really helps. Number 3, you probably knew in Unity that you can search for different objects, but what you probably didn't know is that you can save your searches while you're searching up these objects, so you don't always have to keep on searching for them in your prefabs or scripts. Number 4, did you know if your screen gets cluttered with all these audio sources and raycasts, you can actually turn it off by clicking the gizmos button on the top of your scene screen. And if you want, you can even turn off the grid that you see, so you can actually look at your game design masterpiece. Number 5, I'm pretty sure not people know this one, but anyways, if you're having trouble of resizing your pixels, your pixel art, you can actually do that in Unity by typing in the pixels per unit and by clicking on your drawing. And that is it. I just want to upload a really short video real quick. I'm not gonna be able to upload for 4 days, so yeah.